Hi viewers, how are you? I am Dr. N. Srinivasan from the Department of Physics, Congo Engineering College. How is going on? I hope everyone is enjoying your studies. So today I am going to deal with acoustic grating in ultrasonics. So ultrasonics, quite naturally everyone knows about this peculiar sound because ultrasound we are not able to hear it. Our human system not able to detect ultrasonics, but ultrasonics are high frequency sound waves. So sound, let us classify sound into audible, inaudible. Inaudible sound has two things, one is ultrasonics and infrasonics. So my topic is about acoustic grating in ultrasonics. First of all, what is the use of acoustic grating? Acoustic grating that is used to find the velocity of ultrasonic waves. So it is somewhat similar to diffraction grating, but this grating is made up of sound, that is ultrasound, so that it is called acoustic grating. So acoustics, that is the word somewhat related to sound. Acoustic grating is a grating which is made up of sound. So it behaves like a diffraction grating. Diffraction, that is the basic property of light. Diffraction is the working principle of diffraction grating. So like that, acoustic grating working principle is also diffraction. So based on that, we can measure the velocity of light. Velocity of ultrasound. Velocity of light is known by us. Now our aim is to measure the velocity of ultrasonic. So for the measurement of velocity of ultrasonics, we use acoustic grating. So acoustic grating is nothing but when ultrasonics are passed inside the liquid. You take a chamber, liquid chamber, pass the ultrasonic from the bottom of the chamber, then they move to the top of the chamber. So when they reach top of the chamber, what will happen? They will be reflected. So this is the one of the important property. Ultrasonic has several properties. This property is very much important because ultrasonics are reflected whenever they find a change in the medium. That is, whenever there is a change in medium, ultrasonic waves are reflected. By using this simple concept, simple property of ultrasonics, we form acoustic grating. So you keep a ultrasonic transducer at the bottom of the liquid chamber, then pass the ultrasonic wave inside the chamber. Automatically it will go from bottom to top of the chamber. At the top of the chamber it will be somewhat reflected. Then again it reaches the bottom of the chamber. So now we have two rays. One is forward ultrasonics and another one is reflected ultrasonics. The forward ultrasonics and the reflected ultrasonics, they superimpose and produces a stationary wave pattern. That stationary wave pattern, which is act like a diffraction grating. So the stationary ultrasonic wave pattern in a liquid behaves like diffraction grating is called acoustic grating. So this is not made up of a glass plate. This is made up of sound, ultrasound. So that this is called acoustic grating. So acoustic grating, very simply you just try to understand. Forward ultrasonics and reflected ultrasonics superimpose each other and produces a stationary wave pattern. This ultrasonic stationary wave pattern in liquid is called as acoustic grating. This grating behaves like a diffraction grating. So based on that we can find velocity of ultrasonics. Here one point you just keep it in your mind, that is ultrasonic waves, whenever there is a change in medium, they will be reflected. This is one important property of the ultrasonics. So based on this property, not only velocity measurement, we can use this same property in medical imaging. Ultrasound scanning, that is common nowadays. The same property which is used for recording the images of internal parts of the human body. That is simply medical imaging. Then another application of this particular property is NDT, non-destructive testing, ultrasonic non-destructive testing. That is ultrasonic flaw detector, which is working based on this principle. So this principle is very very important. This property of ultrasonic is very very important. So that property is very simple. Whenever there is a change in medium, ultrasonic waves will be reflected. So today we have discussed about ultrasonic acoustic grating. Acoustic grating is formed by the ultrasonic waves, particularly stationary ultrasonic waves. Stationary ultrasonic wave pattern in liquid behaves like diffraction grating, is called as acoustic grating. So this basic property of ultrasonic is also very very important. Whenever there is a change in medium, ultrasonic waves will be reflected. Thank you very much. Thank you Faraj. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your kindness. Bye bye.